Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix login error of your Snapchat app. So there could be few things that might cause this problem, so in this video I'll show you the possible solutions to fix your login error. So this is the Snapchat app, as you can see. Now first of all, an outdated version of app might be a cause. So go to the App Store or Play Store, search for the app's name on the search bar here, and as you can see there are no update available. However, if the update is available on the app, update your app, then try logging in. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution. Now go to the settings and scroll down and search for app list. Open the app list and then search for the app you are looking for. So that's Snapchat for us. So once you found your app, tap on it. Now tap on the storage option, and once this page opens up, tap on the clear cache option. So once you have cleared the cache of your app, try logging in, and if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, I have another solution to help you again. So now this time try uninstalling the app, reinstall your app, and then try logging in again, and that might help you fix your login error as well. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.